Here's how to connect Claude AI to Google Gemini using Zapier as a bridge. Open the Claude desktop app and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Go to Settings, then Connectors, then Browse Connectors. Search for Zapier and click the plus button. Sign in with your Google account and follow the prompts. Select Business Owner for role and 1 to 49 for team size. Click Allow when asked for permissions. Open a new browser tab and go to Zapier.com. Once logged in, click MCP Server on the left sidebar, then Add Tool. Search for Gemini and select it. Click Select Tools at the top left and check Select All Tools. Click Connect, then Connect again next to Gemini. You will be asked to paste your Google AI Studio API key. Open aistudio.google.com, go to API Keys, create a new key, and copy it. Paste it into Zapier and click Yes, Continue to Google AI Studio to authorize. Click Add 9 Tools to finish. Claude is now connected to Gemini. You can prompt Claude to use Gemini tools directly in your conversations, useful for comparing outputs, chaining tasks, or running specific Gemini capabilities alongside Claude's own responses. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.